If you were waiting for the next in the Nova line, the next 7.8 inch color e-ink, it's here. This is going to be effectively the Nova Air C replacement, but it's been brought up to the current book standard with the addition of a GPU. Here's a comparison table showing you the difference between it and the previous iteration, which is the Nova Air C. This, what I have here, is the Nova Air 1, which is the same size device, but this is the black and white device. Some of the upgrades, you can see it's got a much bigger battery, and that's going to be needed. It's got auto rotation as well now. It's also got a RAM upgrade from 3 GB in the Nova Air 2 to 4 GB in the Tab Mini C. There's also twice the storage, from 32 GB up to 64 GB, which you may now use more of since you're looking to download and read more glorious color content. A tab feature that I'm excited for coming to this size tablet is the pen using tilt. This is something that is only on the Tab Ultra and Tab X so far, and this will make it a much better place for sketches in your pocket. And of course, the Kaleido free screen, which is a big improvement over the Kaleido 2, with faster refresh, better color saturation, and 150 dpi color and 300 dpi in black and white. This latest generation of e-ink color screen looks better in more situations, and generally they get closer to that true paper look. The design is really similar to the original Novas, although now they're calling it a Tab Mini. It is the same form factor essentially, but it's going to be a black casing this time around, and that black will give the impression of better contrast, although technically there's no difference there. Now on the official BOOX Shop, they're pricing this at $450 essentially dollars and 500 euros. And that includes a pen stylus in the standard package, but you can also get the magnetic case for free if you buy through the official BOOX Shop. And one thing to mention here as well about BOOX is they give you 10 GB of free cloud storage for each BOOX account, and they've committed to keeping that for free. That's going to be enough for all of your notes and your reading data, and not all companies are offering that. So yeah, let me know what you think. Are you looking forward to this Tab Mini C? Is this going to be the one for you? And fire in any comments that you want to see when I get the opportunity to give this a full review and other content around it. And as always, you can support the channel if you click that like button, that thumbs up below the video. Make sure that you're subscribed, and even just share this video out in any place that you discuss e-ink tablets. And finally, you'll find affiliate links where possible in the descriptions, which are no extra cost to you, but really support the channel. Thanks so much for watching.